In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online bill payments in Xero. Getting this set up means your customers can pay you directly from their invoices using trusted providers, which speeds up cash collection and reduces manual follow-up. Before we dive in, make sure you're signed in to your Xero organization with a role that can manage payment services and have your Stripe or PayPal details handy. You don't need to share any sensitive information here, but you may be asked to confirm your business details with the provider during the connection. From your Xero dashboard, head to the sales area. This is where Xero groups everything related to getting paid, including the settings for online payments. Once you're in sales, look for the online payment section. This page is dedicated to turning on payment options that appear on your online invoices so customers can click a button and pay you right away. Here, you'll see the option to add a Stripe account or add a PayPal account. You can connect either one or even both, depending on what you want to offer your customers. Stripe is great for accepting major credit and debit cards and often supports digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay, depending on your region. PayPal lets customers pay from their PayPal balance, linked bank accounts, or cards, and many people already have a PayPal login, which can help reduce friction. Both providers charge processing fees, so it's worth reviewing their pricing and payout schedules in advance and deciding which currencies you plan to accept. Choose the provider you want to add, then follow the on-screen prompts. If you select Stripe, you'll be guided either to create a new Stripe account or connect an existing one. You'll typically confirm your business identity and bank payout details as part of their verification. If you pick PayPal, you'll sign into your PayPal account and grant Xero permission to receive payments on your behalf. During these connections, Xero may ask where to record processing fees in your chart of accounts. Selecting a dedicated fees expense account helps keep your reporting clean. Once connected, Xero automatically adds a Pay Now button to your online invoices that use the payment service you just enabled. Customers can click that button, pay securely, and Xero will record the payment against the invoice when the provider confirms it. You'll see payouts land in the account you set with Stripe or PayPal, and you can reconcile those transactions in Xero as usual. If you don't see the online payments option, check with an administrator about your user permissions. And if a payment button doesn't appear on an invoice, confirm that the currency and branding theme are compatible with the service you connected. That's it. Your online payments are now set up in Xero.